Hello, good morning, friends. Hope you are enjoying your life and my video also. Today, actually, last time I made, but due to some technical issue, it was not uploaded or there was some mistake in the video. मतलब या तो recording नहीं हुई. Anyway, again I'm making same video. It is number of one function, number of onto function, and number of one and onto functions. If f is a function from set A to set B such that number of elements in A is n and number of elements in B is n. See, let me first explain and then I'll give you. इसमें m elements हैं और इसमें n elements हैं, like that. तो हमको एक एलिमेंट ए का एक एलिमेंट बी के साथ ही रिलेशन में होना चाहिए. तो ऐसे कुल कितने फंक्शंस बनेंगे? इसका मतलब इसके n एलिमेंट्स से इसके m एलिमेंट्स अरेंज करने हैं. So out of n elements, m element can be arranged in npm permutation ways. और अगर इसमें कम एलिमेंट होंगे, इसमें इससे कम होंगे, जैसे इसमें इतने एलिमेंट्स है, इसमें इतनी ही है, तो फंक्शन बनने के लिए किसी न किसी के साथ जाएगा. तो इन दैट केस इट विल बी मेनी वन, इट विल नेवर रिमेन वन. तो our formula will be what? Number of one function. one को हमको बोलते हैं इंजेक्टिव. फंक्शन from A to B is equal to npm. If n is less than m is less than or equal to n. और जब n ग्रेटर होगा n से, तो नंबर ऑफ वन फंक्शन विल बी 0 इफ n is greater than n. Okay, friends, next important formula is what? Number of onto function. If f from set A to set B be a function, number of elements in A is what? M, and number of elements in B is what? N, where 1 less than or equal to n less than or equal to m. Then number of onto is also known as surjective. Function from set A to set B is equal to sigma r takes value from 1 to n minus 1 raised to n minus r ncr into r raised to n. For example, f from A to B, where A is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is what? AB. So n is what? N is 4 and n is what? 2. Therefore, number of onto function is equal to sigma r takes value from 1 to n minus 1 raised to n minus r ncr r raised to n will be sigma r takes value from 1 to 2 minus 1 raised to n is what? 2 here. 2 minus r into nc, n is what? 2. C r raised to n is what? 4. Now replace. When r is 1, you'll get minus 1 raised to 2 minus 1 into 2c1 into 1 raised to 4 plus. When r is 2, it will be minus 1 raised to 2 minus 2 into 2c2 2 raised to 4. Minus 1 raised to 1 is what? Minus. 2c1 is what? 2 into 1 plus minus 1 raised to 0 is what? 1. 2c2 is also 1 and 2 raised to 4 is 16. So minus 2 plus 16 will give you 14. So we can have 14 onto functions in this particular case. You have to remember this formula. Now, next important formula is on 1, 1 and on 2. That is injective and surjective. इंजेक्टिव एंड सर्जेक्टिव के लिए एक सिंगल वर्ड है बाइजेक्टिव. बाई मतलब 2, विच इज बोथ 1, 1 एंड ऑन 2. तो कितने फंक्शन बन गए? नंबर ऑफ 1, 1 and on 2, that is injective and surjective, that is bijective functions. See, for injective and surjective together, that is 1, 1 and on 2, number of elements in A domain set and number of elements in codomain set must be equal. Then only 1, 1 and on 2 function is possible. Otherwise not. F is a function from set A to set B. Number of elements in A is equal to number of elements in B, which is same as n. then number of 1 and onto function will be NPN, which is n factorial. So these n factorial functions will have inverse. Only bijective function has inverse. Then inverse will be what? F inverse will be from B to sec A. Yes, friend. Next video will be on 1 and onto, that is injective and surjective, that is bijective function. And all of you know, only bijective function has inverse as a function. अगर फंक्शन बाइजेक्टिव होगा तभी उसका इनवर्स फंक्शन होगा, नहीं तो नहीं. सो नंबर ऑफ 1 and onto, in other words, injective and surjective. Injective and surjective together is known as bijective. Function. If, see, for injective and surjective together, number of elements in domain set must be equal to number of elements in codomain set. Otherwise, 1 function is not possible and onto also. If onto to chalega, but for 1 number of elements in domain and codomain should be equal for 1 and onto. If f from A to B be a function, number of elements in A must be equal to number of elements in B and both are equal to say n. Then number of 1 and onto function is equal to np n factorial. Hello friends, one very important note I'm giving you and then we'll do one problem on it. Let fx be a function with period m upon n. Mn belongs to natural number and are co-prime. Co-prime का मतलब होता है greatest common divisor of m and n is what? 1. Let gx be a function with period r upon s. R and s belongs to natural number and are co-prime. Then period of fx plus gx is t, where t is what? LCM of M and R divided by HCF of N and S. डिनोमिनेटर वाले नंबर्स का HCF लेंगे और न्यूमरेटर का LCM. तो LCM divided by HCF. One problem we'll do on this. Problem is like this. Period of e raised to log sin x plus tan cube x minus cosec 3x minus 5. E raised to log sin x is what? Same as sin x. Its period is what? 2 pi. Tan cube x. Tan has either even power or odd power. Its period is what? Pi only. Tan cube x is periodic with period pi, and cosec 3x minus 5 is periodic with period 2 pi by 3. Therefore, the period of e raised to log sin x plus tan cube x minus cosec 3x minus 5 is LCM of two pi, and 2 pi. Divided by HCF of 2 pi means 2 pi by 1. 1, 1, 3. LCM of this is what? 2 pi upon 1. 2 pi is the answer. Thank you very much. Please, I require your valuable suggestions. Thank you very much.